Hello guys, I hope you're well. Today we'll be going through COPD. And what is COPD? What are some of the medication used for it? So COPD is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and I'm sure you guys know that. It is a common, largely preventable lung condition, and I'm sure you guys know that. Now, COPD mainly happens, or is mainly defined as, you have a ratio called FEV1 out of FVC. So the FEV1 is the forced expiratory volume in 1 second. So you have a ratio of the FEV1 to forced vital capacity, so the FVC. So you have FEV1 out of FVC. When that ratio is less than 0.7 on a spirometry, this confirms there is airflow obstruction, right? So an important point when it comes to COPD is vaccination. This goes under the lifestyle advice, lifestyle management and advice, etc. So you can give pneumococcal and influenza vaccination to those with COPD. So initial inhaled therapy for COPD, a SABA or SAMA for use as needed to relieve breathlessness and improve exercise tolerance should be offered. If you cannot control symptoms, you would give a LABA, a LAMA, or an ICS, and you can also give add-on therapy. So COPD essentially becomes worse from smoking. Smoking, which can lead to emphysema, can also make COPD worse. So COPD, arguably, you could argue that it's more affected by the environment, right? Asthma is more genetic. Yes, they are both genetic, but COPD is mainly caused by smoking. Now, why? Well, you may be thinking, what's this guy on about? What does he mean? I'll tell you why. When you smoke, if you've smoked long enough, you will lead to your alveoli not being able to expand and deflate properly, and you rely on that in your lungs to be able to inhale and exhale effectively. Once you smoke, you lead to scar tissue build up on the alveoli sacs, and that's how emphysema is formed. So this is very, very crucial to understand. And the Gphc love to ask respiratory. They love to ask and see if you know the inhalers. They want to see, do you know that Formoterol is licensed for air or malt, but Salmoterol isn't, for example? Anyway, guys, thank you so much and good luck.